Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Acapella Singing. I would like to sing a song for you entitled This Promise of Love. This song is composed and sung by one of the favorite Filipino singer, Martin Nivera. So this song, This Promise of Love, is a wedding song. So since it is a Valentine season, I would like to sing this to you guys as a serenading. I know many people or many couples are getting engaged or married this time, so I would like to sing this for you. Okay, I hope you like this song, This Promise of Love by Martin Nivera. Original Filipino music, but it is in English. I kneel beside you here today. I kneel beside you and I pray that it's you, it's only you who will share my tomorrows and yesterdays. I searched a lifetime and found you. I've reached to forever, I share with you. Open your heart and let me in as I give you this promise of love. I heard an angel say your name. Now I know my world's not the same. A little heaven is what you are. As we dream 1,000 dreams, not so far. And may the blessings of our Lord above, His light will guide us with a love for you and me forevermore. As I give you this promise of love. Now that I have you for my own, as God is our witness, never let go. Feel the love grow as we become one. One hand, one heart, we are one soul. I stand before you just a man. I need your help to understand what is life without you. As I promise you this day and forever, this promise of love, this promise of love, this promise of love. So guys, thank you for watching and listening to this very special song. This is this promise of love is usually performed or sing during the wedding in the Philippines. Not only in the Philippines but outside the Philippines. This is one of the favorite song. It is composed and sung by the famous singer, Filipino singer, Martin Nivera, and he's one of my idol. That is why I sing it. So to those who already made a promise, when you get married in front, or you made a promise in front of God and in front to all your witnesses, I hope you will stick to your promise and give the value of the promise that you have made during your wedding, not only during the wedding but throughout your whole life, to stay together forever in sickness and in good health, in rich and in poor, in good times and in bad times. So guys, I hope you will not forget your promise, because promise is made to be broken, but please don't break your promise. Stick to your promise, as your promise to your husband or to your wife, that whatever will happen, you will stay together, and don't be a traitor or a betrayal to your relationship, because to get married is not an easy. So if you are not ready to the vows of yes I do not do it. Okay, so enjoy first your life as a single freelancer, and after that, if you're already decided to to accept the commitment, go on. Okay, so thank you for watching, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And this is me, this is my message for the Valentine's Day. Thank you to all of you, my dear viewers and subscribers, for supporting RafthelsaVlogs. And this is my premiere for today, and I hope this message of love uh, is meaningful to you, and it will help you to understand that to have a commitment to someone is not an easy. Okay, so before you are going to get engaged or to get married, think first a million times, because no way, no retreat, no back out. Okay guys, so that is all, and see you again in my next vlog. Keep the promise and stay in love. Let the love burning like a fire. Okay, happy Valentine's. In Germany, the I love you in English, in Germany they pronounce it, or it is translated as ik liebe dich. In Filipino, mahal kita. Okay, so I don't know in other languages, but that is all I can share to you guys. Bye bye, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give love every day to the one that you love most in your life. Okay, and say hello, how are you, say I love you every day. Okay, thank you.